Roof Cleaning, Kent. When you want the roof of your home in Kent to look like new, call Purple Rhino Roof and Exterior Cleaners on 01233 550 100. Moss, algae and lichen removal from roofs in Kent using the latest soft washing equipment. Learn more about roof cleaning in Kent by visiting our website purple-rhino.co.uk. Purple Rhino provides a fully written roof cleaning warranty with our roof cleaning processes. Easily arrange your Kent roof cleaning project by calling Purple Rhino today. Our roof cleaning surveyor will arrange a suitable time to visit you at your home and provide a fully written roof cleaning quotation free of charge. Purple Rhino Roof and Exterior Cleaners are located in Kent.